Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we're back with another video. Thank you for joining me, and if you're brand new, welcome. We're so happy to have you a part of this amazing art journey with us. We have a 14 by 14 inch canvas and we're going to be doing a Dutch pour on it. We have already started by laying out some base color, which is a combination of the Blickrylic titanium white along with the Artist Loft deep green. Now, the Artist Loft deep green is definitely a deeper green than this, but we've got like a little deep mint green going on here, and we're going to use that as our base. After we do that, we will blow out and then talk about our layering colors. Okay, we got most everything covered, and we're just checking along the edges and corners to ensure full coverage all the way around. All right. Okay, we're just about there. This is the color that I made up, and I'm happy to say it's really pretty. I have ideas that I think might work, but we'll just have to see in terms of what we'll put on for layering colors. So we'll pop air bubbles first. And we are looking for any uninvited guests. You know, we don't want any foreign debris or anything that could interfere with the foundation being flawless. So that's what we're doing this for. And sometimes people have asked, do you need a torch? Yes. Haven't found an alternative to a torch, so they're not as expensive as you might think, but they are necessary. So what we have by way of colors today are the Argent silver by Artist Loft, and we're going to be using the Blickrylic Mars Black. We also are going to be using some Blick Titanium White, and I'm thinking of putting some Artist Loft Gold in here. Just kind of want to see how these colors look in combination, and also to give people who are just starting out an opportunity to see that you can do a Dutch pour on a smaller canvas, and also with very few colors, or as many colors as you like. It just depends on how you use them. Still popping air bubbles because I can see them, and we want to make sure we get as many as we can out as possible. All right, so a Dutch pour with this, and how about we do, let's see, I think I'm going to start with the white. Titanium white. I'm going to try to do a design that allows me to go somewhere like that, and I think I'll try to go, let's go this way a little bit and just a little bit that way. Okay, we've got a little bit of white in here. It's really kind of not squeezing out. Need to open that up, I think. Let's see, we can open that up a little more. There we go. Go like this and like this. We'll come down like this. And over here, there we go, we got some on there. That's the white. Ooh, I think we can experiment with this and just go into the gold. Ah, that's fun. And then we can do the black on top of the gold. Oh yeah. This ought to be interesting. And we'll put the silver on top of the black. Wow. It's gonna be cool. All right. All right. And how about we wrap back around with white? Why not? Gotta get some pretty cool lacing out of this. Take torch. Okay, let's see what we can get going here. All right, decisions are where to start are always the most challenging. I think I'm going to try to start here, move that way, and we'll see what we do from there. Wow, wow, wow. That is, oh, wow, oh, wow. Wee. Pretty. Torch. There, bubbles. Oh, I love the cells and the lacing. It's just so beautiful. And this mint like green background really, really does make it stand out. Wow, so, so pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Oh my, I'm just taking it all in at the moment. The hints of gold throughout, the silver and the gray, or the black making for a gray. Just beautiful. The lacing, torching. We've got metallics and they bring up a lot more cells. Oh, it's really pretty. Let's take our little swipe stick and go underneath. We want to capture this as quick as we can and get it so that it comes to rest as soon as it can, and we can retain this beautiful design. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, so pretty. Well, we didn't know what we were going to get, but we got something quite different and special and really pretty. Very pretty. I am loving this. Let's do this. We'll bring you in for a close-up. Here we are, everyone. Close-up time. And you got it. We are coming in to look at some beautiful cells made from the Mars Black, Blickrylic Mars Black, the Artist Loft Old Gold, the Liquitex Basics, no, Artist Loft Argent Silver, the Blick Titanium White, and it's all layered on this beautiful deep green by Artist Loft mixed with Blick Titanium White, giving it a nice minty, fresh, refreshing type of color. Very ocean-like actually in terms of some of the background here, but look at those cells. Wow, just gorgeous. What a stunning piece. But this is also that you who are new in particular can see you don't have to have a large canvas and you don't have to have a lot of paint to get something absolutely gorgeous on the canvas. And that is what we wanted to show you here, and we've been successful at doing so. Hope you like it. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas with a Dutch pour using 4 colors and a base. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't. And remember, all this that you're doing is just going to be available if you are interested in getting subscribed so you can know each and every time we have another video upload. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep loving your art, and we will see you again on the next video upload. Bye now. Hey everybody, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and just wanted to show you some dried results of this 14 by 14 inch canvas. This was a time of refreshing, just beautiful. I love the seafoam light green color that I was able to make up and mix as a base, and then put these beautiful colors on top. As you can see, they really blended together beautifully, forming nice, gorgeous cells, and the design dried so well. I'm really, really pleased with this piece. I will do this color combination again, perhaps on a larger canvas. This was definitely a trial that I think came out just gorgeous. Real pleased with it. It has beautiful cells, beautiful lacing, nice flow of the design, and the movement in the design is just really, really special. Well, wanted to show you dry results of this 14 by 14 inch canvas. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm real pleased with it myself, and I love the way the colors blended together and made for a beautiful composition on this seafoam light green color that we were able to make up. Well, thank you for joining me again. As always, stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the next video upload. Keep loving your art, and we'll see you then. Bye now.